Journey through our solar system. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun in our solar system. It is so close that it gets really hot. Much hotter than our planet. Unlike Earth, Mercury does not have much of an atmosphere. This means there is nothing to trap heat. So temperatures can swing wildly. It can get super hot during the day and extremely cold at night. A day on Mercury, one full revolution, takes a long time. About 59 Earth days. It takes Mercury about 88 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Mercury's surface is covered in craters, which are holes made by space rocks that hit the planet. One of the largest features on Mercury is a large crater called Caloris Basin. Mercury has no moons. Earth has one moon. But Mercury goes around the Sun alone. Humans have sent spacecraft to Mercury to learn more about it. One famous mission is Messenger, which orbited Mercury for several years and sent back many pictures and information. Venus. Venus is often called the evening star or the morning star because it is one of the brightest objects in the night sky. It is so bright that it can even sometimes be seen during the day. Venus is almost the same size as Earth. They are like sister planets. But Venus has a very different environment. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Even hotter than Mercury. It is like a giant oven because its thick atmosphere traps heat. The surface temperature can get hot enough to melt metal. Most planets rotate from west to east. But Venus rotates the other way around. From east to west. It is the only planet in our solar system that does this. Like Mercury, Venus has no moons. It orbits the Sun completely by itself. Humans have sent spacecraft to Venus to learn more about it. One famous mission is called Magellan, which used radar to map the surface of Venus and sent back cool pictures. Earth. Earth is often called the blue planet because of its vast oceans and the green planet because of the many plants and forests that cover its land. Earth is special because it has just the right conditions to support life. The temperature is neither too hot nor too cold. Thanks to the distance from the Sun, the Earth teems with life. From tiny ants to huge whales. And from colorful birds to stealthy predators. The planet is home to an incredible variety of living creatures. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Mainly in oceans. This water is essential to all living things and helps regulate the planet's temperature. The Earth has a moon revolving around it. The moon is much smaller than the Earth. And it is our closest neighbor in space. The Earth has a protective layer called the ozone layer. High in the atmosphere. It protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the Sun. The water on Earth is constantly moving through a process called the water cycle. It evaporates from oceans and rivers. Forms clouds. Falls as rain or snow. And then repeats the cycle. It protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the Sun. Earth is the only known planet with intelligent life, humans. We build cities. Create art. Explore the world and take care of the environment to ensure a healthy planet for future generations. Mars. Mars is often called the red planet because of its rusty reddish appearance. The surface is covered with iron oxide, which is like rust. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is our neighbor in the solar system. It is also the second smallest planet, after Mercury. Mars is home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons. It is about 3 times higher than Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth. Mars boasts a giant canyon called Valles Marineris, which is much longer and deeper than the Grand Canyon on Earth. This is a massive crack in the Martian surface. NASA has sent robotic explorers called rovers to Mars. such as Spirit, Opportunity and Curiosity. These rovers sent back pictures and data to help scientists learn more about the planet. Mars has polar ice caps made of water and dry ice, frozen carbon dioxide. Scientists have found evidence of water ice beneath the Martian surface. Scientists and space agencies are studying Mars for potential future human exploration. People are excited about the idea of people visiting and maybe even living on Mars. The main asteroid belt. The main asteroid belt is located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. It is a large area filled with rocky objects, mainly asteroids. There are millions of asteroids in the main belt, ranging in size from small pebbles to larger bodies several hundreds of kilometers across. Although there are many asteroids in the main belt, the space between them is large. It's not like the movies where spaceships have to zigzag through a dense field of rocks. In fact, there is plenty of room for safe travel. The asteroids in the main belt are considered leftover building materials from the formation of the solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. The main asteroid belt is sometimes called the failed planet because some scientists believe the material in this region could have formed a planet if it had come together. However, Jupiter's strong gravity prevented this from happening.